Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let's do a quick Bitcoin update to start off. So stopping pretty much dead on this 79.18 level, pausing there, going back up, then going down. Here's a way you can use the 1 hour. People ask this sometimes, well, how can I fine tune it even more? So we hit the key level, reacted to the 1 hour rotation zone. You see this? Straight back to 1 hour rotation zone. So if we wanted to, we could take like this high, coming to this pause. This is the move that started it, giving us our next key level in 77.20, pretty much nailing the next low. Rotation zone coming back down, getting a divergence in here. See this little divergence coming in and forming a double bottom. So this would be a very short-term scalp trade. So you have it happening at a key level, and then you have a divergence. So this again, and the target was pretty much right in the highs where it stopped, hitting the other side of the rotation zone. This is not something you want to hang on to forever because you're also going against the rotation zone on the 4 hour and on the daily. So just that was this little bottom in here, rallying up, hitting the rotation zone on the daily, now just pausing. We're going to have to see if it puts in a short-term bottom here or not. Let me remove these levels just from the 1 hour. We're still watching our major levels down here. And the next major area is, should we head lower? Let me update these now. Let me pull these down to here. Now we can see with our double targets. So the next major target we have is about 7,500, 74.47 to 7,500, then 71.60, then all the way down to the 67 to 6,800. So those are the targets to the downside. Now, if we rally a bit more into the rotation zone, there is very major resistance coming in about 8,500. That's where it found support before. So found support on this failed double bottom. Then it broke through that, so that's very key resistance. It tested the low ends of these candle wicks. Would not be surprised to see it pop a little higher, maybe 8,500 to 8,600 area where we have the rotation zone, and then we'll see if it rotates back down. But that was the only buying pattern, and it was a quick little scalp. It was nothing long term yet. We'll have to see if this then comes back down lower and gives us another buying opportunity at one of these key levels. Switching over to Ethereum, 4 hour chart to start with, coming right down, hitting, we had our key cluster area here. 573. What do we spike down to? The lows of 568, and then moving back up to rotation zone. There's also a little scalp trade on the 1 hour. Just this little double bottom bringing you back up to the top of the rotation zone, where it just broke through and then is pulling back a bit. That was just a little scalp. That was not a long-term buy and hold. You see again on the 4 hour. Coming back to the 8 EMA and moving down, now just pausing at about the 50% retracement from this up move. So on a continued rally, first level of resistance is 620, and then major resistance is coming in about 640 to 650 area. That's at the top end of the rotation zone. We can also take these levels, since they've all been hit, and move them lower. And we'll see what that looks like now and check in on the daily chart. Over to the daily chart. So again, we also spiked right through to 200 simple, but we're holding still on so far just above it. So this is a very key level. Now on a daily, we talked on the 4 hour chart, up to 650. If we do rally higher on the daily basis, we're looking right now major resistance coming in at 680. Now if these levels do not hold and it turns back down, then we will be watching for 527, then 486. So we have for you on your Ethereum and Bitcoin update, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.